Hi. Maybe you have a piano at home that's been collecting dust. Maybe your kids played it. But now I think it's time that you learned. You can open up your piano, and I'm going to show you some very easy chords to start with that you can start your own song. Okay, see how the keys are separated? You got your groups of 3 black keys. You got your groups of 2 black keys. We're going to pick any group of black keys that have the 2 on them. And we're going to start there. And here we are down here. I'm going to pick the white key right below the black one. Then we're going to pick the other one below the black one. And the last one is hiding between these 2. And if you hear that, and then we're going to press them all at once. That, my friends, is called a chord. And it's actually called a C chord. And you can just, let's see if I can get that. Okay. You can just do a C chord using those notes. My other hand's going to do the same. And then all we're going to do is use those 3 notes. It's kind of hard for me to only use those 3. Okay, here's another variation. And those are just little ditties using the notes in the C chord. Have fun. I'll come back and give you another little tutorial on a different chord. Okay, same idea, different placements on the keyboard. See ya.